Welcome to Calcutta Races Season 2020-2021 Summer Meeting, first day, Tuesday, 16th of March 2021 Race Preview. Race number 1, the Zara Shah Handicap for horses rated 1 to 26, 1100 meters. Looking at horse number 2, Occitania, has had 3 starts, finished second in one of the starts over 1400 meters. Last race in race number 78, where she finished 5th out of 8 runners. Winner was Wind Chaser. Next we're looking at horse number 3, Zodiac Prince. Last race in race number 80 over a distance of 1200 meters, where he finished 5th out of 7 runners. Winner was Nandini Spet. Zodiac Prince has been having disappointing runs this season. Next we're looking at horse number 4, Chiara. Last race in race number 87 over a distance of 1400 meters, where she finished 7th. The winner of that race was Spring Valley. This is her 3rd start, running off the frame in her last 2. R.S. Bhatti rides her this time. Next we're looking at horse number 5, Bay Muse. Last ran in race number 79 over the mile, where he finished 6th out of 6th. Winner of the race was Huntsman. Out of all his 6 starts, has always managed to place 5th or 6th. Let's see if he can break that spell and pick up a win. Apprentice P. Tideshwar will be riding Bay Muse, claiming 2 kgs. Next we're looking at horse number 6, Buddy Holly. Raced in race number 86. He was the winner of the last outing. The horse with the best form in this set will be ridden by Delhi champion jockey Akash Rajput. Race number 2, the Cherry Handicap for horses rated 1 to 26, about 1400 meters. Horse number 1, Adorinda, and horse number 8, Gold Ray. Adorinda, speaking of which, out of Adiella, has had 2 starts, finished 2nd and 4th respectively in those starts. 1400 could be more to its liking. Horse number 8, Gold Ray from Bharat Singh's stable, was seen finishing on over 1100 meters. The extra 300 might just help the gelding inch its way closer to the winning post. Horse number 2, Hudson. The Dark Bay mare finished a faraway 4th in its last start over 2000 meters in race number 93, where it hung out from the 600 meters. Needs to improve by leaps and bounds if she is to win this race. Next we're looking at horse number 3, Tomorrow Forever. Horse number 5, Wandering Angel. Horse number 6, Demonstrate, and horse number 9, Romantic Zeal. All raced last in race number 87 over a distance of 1400 meters. Tomorrow Forever ran 3rd in its last run. Dashrath Singh rides Tomorrow Forever this time. Wandering Angel used to run as El Mulano earlier. Last outing was impressive, where she couldn't really be ridden out due to lack of room. Akash Rajput rides Wandering Angel this time. Demonstrate ran 5th in its last race, and Romantic Zeal, the only 4th in 6 starts this season, received interference in her last run at the 300 meters when making a move. Next we're looking at horse number 4, Ember Glow. Her 3 starts have been over longer trips. Last run being over 2400 meters in race number 85. where Theon smashed the opposition out of the park, the trainer has put on blinkers and declared jockey P.S. Chauhan, who seems to be in blazing form. Let's see if it makes a difference. Next, we're looking at horse number 7, Tahoe. Has just changed stables after its only start this season. Tahoe has run 5th in all her 4 career starts. She last raced in race number 2 over 1400 meters. Race number 3, the Gudar's Plate, for horses 3 years old only, about 1200. First, we're looking at horse number 1, Anne's Boy, and horse number 2, Mother's Love. Both raced last in race number 58 over 1100 meters. Anne's Boy finished 3rd in its last start, finishing a distant behind the winner, Dandi Satyagraha. Stable jockey Afzal Khan once again will be riding the gelding. Mother's Love finished 4th in the same race, a neck behind Anne's Boy. Let's see how much has the gelding improved on that run. Next, we're looking at horse number 3, UV, horse number 6, Honey Crisp, and horse number 8, Marina Bay. All raced last in race number 81 over a distance of 1100 meters. UV finished on 2nd in its last start. The colt is being ridden by Akash Rajput. Horse number 6, Honey Crisp, finished 4th in her last start. After having led the field to the distance post, bound to improve on that run, horse number 8, Marina Bay, the jockey reported that the filly was running green and reluctant to quicken when placed under pressure in her last start. Remains to be seen if she has settled down a bit after that run. Race number 4, the Diabolical Handicap, for horses rated 21 to 46, about 1100 meters. We're looking at horse number 1, Shifera, and horse number 3, East Side. East Side, 6 runs, all 6 unplaced this season, now running the lower set with Muhammad Azharuddin. Both of them raced last in race number 95 over a distance of 1100 meters. Next, we're looking at horse number 2, Bunting. Last raced in race number 89 over 1200 meters. Bunting has had 4 starts this season, all 4 off the frame, has shown no sparkle so far in her runs. In fact, finished detached in the last run. Next, we're looking at horse number 4, Nandini's Pet, horse number 6, Sirona, and horse number 7, Stelvio Pass. All raced last in race number 94 over a distance of 1100 meters. Nandini's Pet, a win, 2/3 and a 4th, makes up a good form, finished a close 4th in her last run. Sirona runs in the Joydeep Datta Gupta colours made a good impression when winning her debut run, finished 3rd in race number 94, a neck ahead of Nandini's Pet. Stelvio Pass gave apprentice Prithvi Singh his first winner of his career when winning a race in race number 94. Nandini's Pet, Sirona, Stelvio Pass are closely matched on handicap. Next, we're looking at horse number 5, Abelson. Has had a win this season, finished 7 in the last start in race number 83 over a distance of 1100 meters. Looking at horse number 8, Beowulf, last ran in race number 86 over 1100 meters. Finished 2nd when overwhelmed by Buddy Holly, close home, running in class 4 this time, having gone up by 3 points on that run. Next we're looking at horse number 9, Ashwamedh. Last race in race number 78 over a distance of 1400 meters. This is Ashwamedh's first run after being gelded. He finished 6th in his last start. Race number 5, the Sparkling Clear Handicap for horses rated 61 to 86, 1100 meters. We're looking at horse number 1, Kilkari Bridge, last race in race number 72 over 1100 meters. Kilkari Bridge zapped the form workers by finishing last in a field of 5 last time, with the jockey reporting that his mount dropped back out of contention from about 300 meters. Let's see how the gelding runs this time. Looking at horse number 2, Namak Halal, horse number 3, Gorish, horse number 4, Shimmering Star, and horse number 6, Foolproof. All raced last in race number 90 over a distance of 1200 meters. Namak Halal finished a close 5th in its last run. Having won a race prior to that run, jockey Vinay Jaiswal will be riding. Horse number 3, Gorish, finished a close 3rd in race number 90, where Shimmering Star won. Namak Halal, Gorish, Shimmering Star and Foolproof are closely handicapped in this race. Looking at horse number 5, Dandi March, last raced in race number 67 over a distance of 1400 meters. Dandi March has had a good form in Western India, ran 3rd in its only outing in Kolkata. Known to be more comfortable over shorter trips, Hindu Singh rides Dandi March this time. Race number 6, the Goodfellows Handicap for horses rated 41 to 66, 1100 meters. First, we're looking at horse number 1, Bonafide, last race in race number 96 over a distance of 1400 meters. Bonafide has had one start where it finished unplaced over the trip. It is not comfortable over 1400. Now runs a 5.5. Let's see how Bonafide performs. Next, we're looking at horse number 2, Court Jester, horse number 4, Atom, horse number 6, Krisha's Choice, horse number 8, Glorious Leaps, and horse number 9, Aggression. All last raced in race number 95 over a distance of 1100 meters. Court Jester's last outing winner over the same trip penalized for 4 kilos for that win. Hindu Singh partners the colt this time. Atom by Arizan out of 5 foot has had 17 starts, finishing on board in 12 of those. Ran very close to Court Jester in the last start, comes into the reckoning on that run. Next, we're looking at horse number 3, Tash, last race in race number 71 over a distance of 1100 meters. Tash ran an impressive second to Shimmering Star, beating Court Jester to 3rd place in that run. Dashrath Singh is guiding the fortunes of the mare like last time. Next, we're looking at horse number 7, Lumos, last race in race number 32 over a distance of 1400 meters. Lumos has finished unplaced in its 3 starts this season, last run being on the 18th of December. Let's see if the break has helped the gelding. Looking at horse number 10, Viragio, last raced in race number 89 over a distance of 1200 meters. Viragio has changed stables and moved to trainer Shafiq Khan. Finished a good second in her last start. Delhi jockey Sameer Khan rides Viragio this time. Race number 7, the Amor Handicap for horses rated 21 to 46, about 1400 meters. Looking at horse number 1, Manzoni, last race in race number 73 over a distance of 1200 meters. Manzoni, multi-dimensional out of 5 Saturns, has had 4 starts this season, the last run being over 1200 where it finished third to Valeris Thal, now running in the lower set and will be ridden by apprentice jockey P. Vikram. Looking at horse number 2, Communique, last ran in race number 89 over a distance of 1200 meters. The mount of jockey P.S. Chauhan finished an impressive third in its last start where it came out of nowhere. The extra 200 meters might just help this time. We're looking at horse number 3, Port of Spain, horse number 7, Rare Bird, horse number 9, Wind Chaser, and horse number 12, Leslie. Port of Spain, winner of her last start, has been penalized 11 points for that win. Will be ridden this time as well by jockey Nikhil Naidu. Horse number 7, Rare Bird, finished 6th in her last start, has got a drop of 1.5 kilos. Apprentice jockey P. Tejeshwar will be riding Rare Bird. Horse number 9, Wind Chaser, after winning race number 78, then finished 7th in its last start, will be ridden by jockey Hindu Singh. Leslie finished 5th in her last run, will be ridden by apprentice Hasib Alam, claiming 4 kilos. Next, we're looking at horse number 4, Think Big. Think Big is from trainer Shafiq Khan stable, finished 5th the last run in race number 74. Prior to that, won over 1400 meters. Think Big is now been ridden by jockey Shehzad Khan. Horse number 6, Ya Allah, last race in race number 64 over a distance of 1200 meters, has been penalized with 10 points for the last victory, this time traversing a trip of 1400 meters. Next, we're looking at horse number 8, Eastern Crown, last raced in race number 83 over 1100 meters, has a change of stable for horse Eastern Crown to trainer C. Alford stable. Eastern Crown finished 5th over 1100 meters in its last start, now running 1400, which might be better suited for the gelding, which is still a maiden. Horse number 10, Rustler, last raced in race number 98 over a mile. Rustler, the 8-year-old gelding from Jasbir Singh stable, finished unplaced in its last start, now running a 1400 with apprentice jockey Rupal Singh. Let's see how Rustler performs. Looking at horse number 11, Spring Valley, last raced in race number 87. Spring Valley, win legend out of Angel's Glory, last outing winner over 1400. Spring Valley has got 6 points for the last victory, once again being ridden by Sujit Paswan. Thank you.